While TikTokers were waiting on Armageddon, which would have sucked because I had some parts coming in from China, I ordered a mini PCIe connector to attach a PCIe bus to one of my laptops. That'll run a Tesla K80 GPU for AI and machine learning. The price was so good on these, I went ahead and bought two. I can attach the secondary one to a Dell 720 that I have laying around the house and use both for separate AI machine learning tasks or something of that nature. But that's probably a different project later on down the road. Or I could use one for video processing with the Coral AI that I'm going to have attached to the drone. But we'll just have to figure out how to integrate like both of those systems. Now I did receive my FR Sky X8R receiver, and I'll be able to use that with one of my remote control transmitters. Now that'll be a secondary because my primary is going to be the software that's running on my laptop so that I can put in waypoints for the drone. I also got some 4S 6000 milliamp hour LiPo batteries. These batteries right here were the wrong ones, but I'll probably use those for a different project later on down the road. My mesh network devices also showed up, but it looks like I'm going to have to solder the OLED displays to the actual devices. One of these devices will be attached to the drone, and then I'll have a couple at different locations and one at the ground station so they can all communicate with one another. The drone has been fully calibrated. All of the motors currently work. The transmitter and receiver are talking to one another, and the gyro has been fully calibrated. Pretty much all the things that I need before a test flight has been done. So once I get the batteries like fully charged, then we'll do a test flight and hopefully I can get some video out later this week.